Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install any Android game on PC. Well, you can install Pubg, Call of Duty, Free Fire, whatever game of Android that you want to play on PC. You can just do it without any issue, without even logging into the Google Play Store. So the thing is that Tencent has created a very fine piece of emulator which is specifically for PC, and it is called the Game Loop. Now you can so hold on a moment please. I have to minimize it or basically make it full screen. There is no issue. You can just simply open the web and search for gameloop.com and press enter and then download and install it on your PC. The size is not quite a lot. You do not have to you do not have to think about it a lot. Just come here and download it and then install it on the PC. After downloading it on the computer, just you have to search for the game that you want. Okay, the second thing is that you have to come here and then search for the game that you basically want to install it. Supposedly, you can also do the same thing for PUBG Mobile and then, Pub and G, and then just go ahead and then download it on your PC. Now click on install. It is going to start downloading here, and you will see that the game has been the progression of the game that is downloading. It will be listed here. Now you must have a very fast network connection because if you do not have a very fast network connection, unfortunately you will have to again start downloading from the beginning, and it is quite taking a lot of time, believe it or not. And as you can see, I have already downloaded the 8-ball pool. I thought that the size is not quite a lot, and currently at the moment the internet network connection that I have, it is not very good. That's why I basically downloaded the 8-ball pool. For now I'm going to cancel it. Okay, and after that one you have to simply open the game. I'm just showing an example. You have to configure the settings for your computer. So basically you can see that it is right now launching the game, but if you want to configure the settings, just come here and then click on this icon and then click go settings. And from here you can see that there are basically three settings: basic, engine, and then model. Okay, just you have to be minimized for a moment please. You can see that there are basically three settings. There is the basic settings where you can basically auto run it on a startup, advanced watermark will be there, and other stuff. But I am not forcing you to use basic settings, but the thing is that you have to use the engine. Now depending on the computer that you have, on the GPU that it has, you will see that there will be more options like OpenGL plus, DirectX, and DirectX plus, and in the end auto. Now at the moment I already, okay, I tried it on the PC, but right now I am trying it on the laptop. So there is the article that I basically wrote it, and that is inside biggie.com. The system requirement, everything has been explained there, and alongside that one, the other stuff. Hold on a moment please. As I said before, my network connection is not quite really good. That's why the article is taking a lot of time to open. So that's my bad. So here you can see that basically here are the system requirement: what processor, GPU, RAM, operating system, and direct X version it requires. And besides the other settings that may cause the lags, glitches, and frame drops while you are playing PUBG or any other game, then you have to basically need to configure these settings. So here you can see that there are two things: OpenGL and OpenGL plus. Everything has been explained here. You have to come and then read them in detail, and I'm also going to provide the the link of this article in the description. You can just come here and then visit it, for which part you will need to use the OpenGL or OpenGL plus. Also the same goes for DirectX and the DirectX plus. And about the RAM, CPU, graphics, and other stuff, they are specifically explained for PUBG, but you can configure them the way you want. And also there is also the settings specifically for the game that you want to play. And basically there is you can see that, as I said before, that this PC at the moment do not have the GPU graphic card inside it. But here you can see that on the PC that I tested, it has. So you can see that there's a category specifically for the game, and then you can configure the settings for it the way you want. So this is basically how you can download and then install and then play it on the PC. So let me minimize that one and open the game at ball pool. So here you can see that the quality is basically amazing. You can also configure the other settings such as the DPI, which will be basically the resolution of the game that you want. You can also record the game while you are playing. The tools that are available here. So you can see that you can make it full screen. Hold on a moment, please. Yep, just close it for the moment. Yep, here are the tools that you can use to video record, check the phone, show the FPS. So you can basically see every detail here. Now it is very good. Now I'm not saying that you have to if you are playing game using Nox or any other emulator on the PC, there are multiple emulators available. But the thing is that most of those emulators requires you to log in with the Google Play Store and download the games using the Play Store and other stuff. So they are really taking quite a lot of time to download and then configuring all this stuff. But with the game loop, it is not the issue. Just you have to install it and then just download it and then start playing. That's all. If you are facing some kind of issues, you can just configure the settings regarding depending on the game that you are using. As I said before, this article is only configured for PUBG. If you want to download PUBG, then you can just come here, apply them with the same settings that are explained within this article. So let me know if this article is basically helpful to you or no. So sorry, this video is helpful to you or no, and I will meet you guys in the next video. So have a nice day and goodbye.